You should have 3 regular sized popsicle sticks, 2 of these little mini popsicle sticks, 2 of these like matchsticks almost, and you should have 4 little halves of a popsicle stick. You should have a little bit of this straw stuff and then 1 gold sparkly pipe cleaner. The first thing that you're gonna do is maybe set up outline how you're gonna set everything up. So to make the stable, you wanna put these 2 big ones on top. You wanna have these holding up the structure like this. And then you want to have this one on the bottom. So. Baby Jesus here. This I think I ripped in half. You can break that in half to make the little manger. Okay, so just get everything set up how you want it. And then this can be my little angel on the top, okay? The next step is to color everything in. It's really hard to color once you've glued everything together. So you're gonna actually help your buddy to color in all of the popsicle sticks before you glue everything together. You're gonna be using oil pastels to color, and these will be available just on the tables that are set up. So you could ask your buddy what colors they want to use. You can color in the popsicle sticks that make the stable, but you don't have to. You can also just leave them like this. So you can ask your buddy what they want to do. Then you color in the little people. Okay, so color in this. I'm gonna color in Mary. Just gonna go like this. Leave a little spot there for her face. To make little eyes, don't use the oil pastels because they're a little bit too thick. So if you're gonna do any smaller details like write a verse on the popsicle stick or draw little eyes, then you wanna use one of these fine tip markers that will also be available on the table. Once you have all of your pieces colored, you can decide if you want to leave the background blank or if you want to put a piece of paper in the background. There will be pieces of paper that have a section of the Bible with the Christmas story on it, cut in the shape of a stable if you would like to use this. Okay? And so if you do want to use this, you can decide to just have it be blank. Or you can decide to color over it with oil pastel as well. Once you've laid everything out and colored it all and you have it exactly how you want it, then you'll take it over to the hot glue gun station. There will be several hot glue gun stations set up and some of the teachers will be manning them. It's really important that grade 8s, you are the ones hot glue gunning this because the glue gets very hot and we don't want the little kids to burn themselves. So it's really important that you take charge over this and do not let them use the hot glue gun. So the last stage is you're going to glue everything together. Take a little bit of glue and glue it right on to one side of a popsicle stick. Take your other popsicle stick and just press down. Okay? Be careful that you don't put your finger underneath as you press down because the glue will spread and it's quite hot. So just kind of press down like this, hold it for a few seconds, and then it should stick. Okay? So you're going to glue everything together like this, and then you can kind of glue on some of the details. Like you could decide to put a little bit of hay in the stable by, again, just putting a little bit of glue here, sticking it down, and then using these to stick down as well. Okay? With your gold pipe cleaner, you could choose to do one of 2 things. You can choose to make a little angel with one of the half popsicle sticks. And you can make a little halo that goes around here, like this. It's kind of just attached to the angel, and then it makes a little circle on the top. Or you could choose to make it into a star, okay? And you could also choose to have a star at the top of it, like this. So there's lots of choices, and you can ask your buddy what they prefer. For a final step, If you do want to add paper, then you'll glue that on at the very end by just gluing around the edges and sticking it down. For a final step, you will take a piece of string that will also be in this bag, and you will hot glue gun the string just by placing the string down. Get it the length that you want it. Place the string down here and then just put some glue over top of it. Okay, it's really important that you let this glue dry before you try to hang it or hold it up by the string. But then that's your final touch, and you will be complete this version with the verse in the background. It might be nice to write a part of a verse on the sides here, and we'll have some verses available that you can choose from if you want to write across here. The last thing that you need to do is make sure that your buddy's name is on the back of it. Okay, and so you will use one of these markers and help them or get them to write their name just somewhere on the back of the ornament, so that at the end of the activity, they know which one is theirs and they take home the right one.